In this video, we'll guide you through using the Industrial Robotics Operations application, an immersive simulation designed to introduce students to modern automation technologies using virtual welding and spray painting workstations. Once the application is launched, you'll arrive at the main interface. Here you'll see two primary options, the welding workstation and the spray painting workstation. Both paths include cognitive teaching, hands-on training, and skill assessments, each aligned to real industrial processes. Let's begin by exploring the welding workstation. This module includes four components: cognitive teaching, welding practice, training, and assessment. In cognitive teaching, students interact with 3D models of essential welding components, from the torch and wire feeder to the positioner and safety systems. Clicking a highlighted part, like the welding power supply, brings up a focused 3D model and detailed explanations. This interactive learning supports visual and spatial understanding of complex systems. The welding practice module offers step-by-step instructions. Each task, like turning on the power, setting modes, or clamping materials, includes tool hints and safety notices. Users follow prompts to simulate real operations in a safe environment. As students progress to the training mode, assistance is reduced to help reinforce independent skill development. In assessment mode, no prompts are provided, allowing educators to measure retention and procedural accuracy. The spray painting workstation functions similarly. In the cognitive section, learners explore models like the spray nozzle, paint tank, control cabinet, and robotic teaching pendant. Each item offers descriptive visuals and terminology crucial to automation tasks. During training, students control the robot's motion, simulate paint programs, set coordinate systems, and perform end-to-end virtual painting operations. These exercises mirror real-world workflows in manufacturing environments. Industrial robotics operations empower students to gain foundational knowledge in robotic welding and painting, with self-guided progression through observation, interaction, and simulation. By removing physical barriers, it makes industrial automation education accessible, repeatable, and safe. To learn more about integrating industrial robotics into your classroom or workforce program, visit zspace.com.